Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Garmin Smartwatch, beginner guide step-by-step clear. Begin by unboxing your Garmin Smartwatch. Remove any protective coverings from the device. Ensure the smartwatch is sufficiently charged before starting the setup. Press and hold the power button until the watch vibrates and displays the Garmin logo. Once powered on, select your desired language from the list provided. Tap Next to proceed to the pairing process. Download the Garmin Connect app from your smartphone's app store. Open the app and create a Garmin account if you don't have one. Sign in to your Garmin account once created. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. In the Garmin Connect app, tap on Garmin Devices. Select Add Device and follow the on-screen instructions. Choose your smartwatch model from the list of available devices. The app will prompt you to confirm a pairing code displayed on your watch. Verify the code matches and tap Yes on your smartwatch to connect. Complete the setup process by following any additional prompts on the app. Customize your preferences, such as activity tracking and notifications. Finally, explore the features and settings available on your Garmin smartwatch. Your device is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.